Today, we're checking out the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, a game changer in the mid-range smartphone segment. With incredible features and an affordable price, let's dive right in. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is a beauty. With a sleek glass back and vibrant colors, it feels premium in every way. It features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus support. Whether you're gaming or binge watching, it's a visual treat. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset and up to 16GB of RAM, this phone delivers flagship-level performance. From multitasking to gaming, it handles everything effortlessly. Plus, it's 5G ready for blazing fast connectivity. Photography lovers, you're in for a treat. The 200MP main camera with OIS captures stunningly detailed shots. There's also an ultra-wide lens, a macro lens, and a 16MP selfie camera. Night mode? Simply amazing for low-light photography. With a 5,500 mAh battery and 120W hypercharge, you'll get a full charge in just 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. It's perfect for a busy lifestyle. All this tech at a starting price of, insert price here, is unbeatable. If you want flagship features without breaking the bank, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is the one for you. What do you think of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.